Hi guys, my name is Nyahamwai. Welcome back to this amazing YouTube channel. So in today's video we are threading our hair using the African threading method. That is how we are going to be stretching our hair in this video. So if you're interested, keep watching. These are some of the products we'll be using. So I'll start off by detangling my hair. So I'll be using aloe vera juice, and then I'll be using this comb to detangle, and a mixture of olive oil and coconut oil in here. And to seal in the moisture, we'll be using the curling butter from Marine Naturals. And to stretch the hair, the African threading method, I have these threads here. So these are the threads that the cobblers use to mend shoes. So this is what I'll be using. So guys, my hair is in these twists. So I'm going to unravel them, then do the lock method, and then style up my hair. So using the aloe vera juice, I'm going to use it as my leave-in conditioner, so you can use it to detangle your hair. Aloe vera is so good. I slightly finger detangle to removing the knots that may be here. Actually washed my hair a couple of days ago, around 3 days ago, so my hair has not had any product in. Make sure the aloe vera has really coated the hair on each strand. That is how my hair looks like. So I'll go in with my mixture of coconut oil and olive oil. I'll use a little bit. And then I'll lock in the moisture by using this amazing butter from Marine Naturals. So I'm going to just use this amount. After the hair is well coated with the moisturizer, I'll go ahead to part it into 2 sections. Your sections don't have to be that perfect because you're not styling your hair, you're just stretching your hair. So guys, I have this section of hair, so I'm going to thread it. Make sure your sections are a little bit smaller. The smaller the sections, the more your hair is going to be stretched, and we don't want to use heat on our hair because sometimes excessive heat can damage your hair. So I'm going to comb to remove the extra knots that are there. I'm actually using this comb because I never found my wide tooth comb. So don't get used to using this comb, but it's not nice. Sometimes if used excessively, it can damage your hair. So comb, make sure the comb goes in quite well. You can see the shrinkage there. So that is how long my hair is. But when pulled, it's actually a bit longer, but the shrinkage cannot let me prosper. So I'm going to use this type of thread. I love this type of thread simply because it does not suck out the moisture out of your hair. So this is what the cobblers use to mend shoes actually. I prefer it rather than using the other threads because I feel like this one does not suck out the moisture out of your hair, so your hair won't be kind of dry. So I'll go ahead and make sure you don't put so much tension on your scalp. Remember, your roots need a lot of care, need to be handled gently, so I'm going to just leave some space. I'm going to use this thread and make sure I have left some space. So I'll tie the end around 3 to 4 times. It's a little bit long than I expected, but it's okay. You see, I've left some space, so my hair is not going to be that much pulled. So I'll go ahead to tie it up. So just twisting the thread on the hair. As you can see, there is a difference between where the other thread is and where the next thread will be. So leave smaller spaces. If you want your hair to be thoroughly stretched, leave some smaller clay spaces out there. My hair is a little bit thicker on the end, so I'll have to smooth it out to get a perfect look. So guys, when you get to the ends of your hair, all you need to do is, I don't know whether you can see this, but you need to twirl that up. It's kind of like you're twisting the hair. Then you place it up like this. After you place it up, you go ahead to twirl it up. You can use this method. Make sure you coat the hair with a thread. So that is where the trick is actually. So you'll have to make sure the hair doesn't come out while you're sleeping. So twirl it nicely. So this is how the end of my hair looks like. So after it's like this, I'm going to tie a loop on the end of the thread. I don't want to cut this thread, so what I'll do, I'll fold it twice, once and twice, then go back to the hair, and then I'll tie a loop. So this is where I'll cut the next time. I'll be removing the thread. So this is what I'll do. Tight. So the next time I'll be removing thread, I'll just come and cut here. Make sure it's a little bit tight so it doesn't come out while you're sleeping. So this is how it looks like. You can see I've left some spacing here. Make sure it's not too tight. Remember, one of the causes of hair loss is doing styles that are too tight, so make sure you leave room. Make sure you can pull it in and out, and you've left some space in here. So this part is already stretched, so I don't have to like stretch it that much. The middle part and the ends part, that is where stretching is most needed.
2,000 years later.
Today I'm unraveling the thread. So it's been a couple of 4 days, and now what I'll be using is scissors and my wide tooth comb to comb out. So I'll start here and cut this. This is the loop that I tied. So I'm going to slowly finger detangle. I actually love the way my hair looks. It's kind of achieving that blow dry look. I'll go ahead and use the wide tooth comb. So my hair is about 70% stretched. So I'm actually loving the way it looks like. So I'll twist that part because I don't want it to shrink up. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. I'll leave the links down below in the description box. Bye.